Welcome to Simple Home Magic.
Today, I'm sharing a quick and flavorful lemon rice recipe, simple, aromatic, and ready in just 5 minutes. Let's begin by cooking the rice. Boil enough water in a large pot. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and the juice from 1 lemon. Once it starts to boil, add 1 kilogram of washed and soaked basmati rice. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, or until the grains are soft but not mushy. Check by pressing a grain between your fingers. Once done, strain the rice and keep it aside to cool slightly. Now in a pan, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Next, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal or black gram and a handful of raw peanuts. Sauté for about 5 minutes on medium flame, until the peanuts are roasted. Then add 1 inch of chopped ginger, 2 slit green chilies, and a few curry leaves. Sauté until everything is fragrant. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Keep the flame low and cook for another minute, until the raw smell disappears. Squeeze the juice from 3 fresh lemons and mix it with 2 tablespoons of water. Pour this lemon juice mixture into the pan. Mix everything well and let it simmer for a few seconds. Now gently add the cooked rice to the pan. Combine everything carefully so the rice doesn't break. The bright yellow color and tangy aroma will make your kitchen smell amazing. Finish off with some fresh chopped coriander leaves for extra flavor and a pop of color. And that's it, your flavorful lemon rice is ready to serve. Want something spicy to go with this? Our fish pickle recipe is just perfect. Check it out on our channel. Link is pinned as first comment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.